Hello student, I'm from Lalbagh Girls City College. Today I'm going to give you lecture on psychology. My topic is psychological test, and this topic is both beneficial for class 12 and class 11 student of psychology. Today I'm going to tell you the meaning of psychological test. Psychological tests have been devised are used for the determination of individual differences in general intelligence, specific aptitude, achievements, and non-cognitive personality traits. Psychological tests are also conducted for several other purposes like psychological, sociological, cultural, and personal selection in industry. The commonly explored group through these psychological tests are nature and course of development, intellectual and non-intellectual personality differences, hereditary and environmental differences, occupational differences, intellectual and other personality traits of typical group. Generally, psychological tests had very extensive use in educational institutions, but the priority was somewhat shifted after World War II, when the tests were administered for the selection and recruitment of the personnel of the armed forces. When the test is conducted for individual analysis or to judge his mental abilities, the purpose might be provide educational and vocational guidance. In clinics, the psychological tests are used primarily for intellectual diagnosis of factors associated with personal problems of learning, behavior, attitudes, or interpersonal relationships. In business and industry, tests are helpful in selecting and classifying personnel for placement in jobs. Thus, the tests have wider applicability, and nowadays not even single sphere of human behavior has been left without measurement and application of psychological tool that is commonly known as psychological test. Now, according to F.S. Freeman, I am going to read one of the definition of these tests. A psychological test is a standardized instrument designed to measure objectivity one or more aspect of a total personality by means of sample or verbal or non-verbal response or by means of other behavior. This is a definition of F.S. Freeman. So now you can understand what is the meaning of psychological test.